If you need help running Amazon ads, this might be the most important 1-minute video. I'm Jack, and I've been running my own seller account since 2018, and I've personally managed my sponsored ads the entire time. I just opened a few spots on Fiverr to help other sellers clean up their PPC, reduce wasted spend, and scale profitably without paying big agency pricing. On screen is my gig page, so you can see exactly how it works and what is included. Next on screen is pricing, and it is based on your last 30-day ad spend. Up to $3,000 per month is 15%. Up to $10,000 per month is 12%. Up to $25,000 per month is 10%. And above that, message me for a quick custom quote. Now on screen is what I handle each week. I clean campaign structure so it is organized and controllable. I mine search terms to find winners. I add negative keywords to stop irrelevant spend. I tune bids, budgets, and placements. And I send friendly weekly updates with what I changed, what worked, and what I am doing next. Now on screen is a real snapshot from my ads console. Over $145,000 in ad spend. Over $1.09 million in ad sales. With a 14% ACOS and an average CPC around 25 cents. And this next on screen is a single campaign highlight. $328,000 in sales at 4.5% ACOS with very low CPC. That is what efficient structure and consistent optimization can look like. Quick honesty, I've managed ads for other brands before, and I've helped friends as well. This is my first time doing full remote onboarding through permissions and tokens. But I'm very comfortable inside the ads console, and onboarding is usually smooth. Before you order, please message me your monthly ad spend, your ASIN count, your goals, and your rough margins or break-even ACOS. And I will confirm the best starting tier for you. Link is in the description, and if you want cleaner ads, less waste, and steady growth, I would love to help.